this is ready to taste. This is the taste of every Greek home. It's welcoming and warming, and I can taste the garden outside, the oregano and the thyme, and I can see those roosters strutting around in the yard. All of that is in this soup. I like to pair my kokoras Protoyiahni with a wine from the Amindeo region, and this is a combination of the Syrah grape and the Xinomavro grape. The rounded tannins, the vanilla, the woody tones in here. This is quite a sophisticated wine, but it goes beautifully with this rich, rustic chicken noodle soup. It's the perfect combination of tradition and innovation. Isi Hian, to your health.